Nothing spoils family outdoor activities, such as cookouts and pool parties, worse than a horde of biting mosquitoes. You can spray till your hands are limp, but one of the best ways to control an infestation is with a trap that collects and disposes of them. An effective method to avoid mosquitoes on or around your property includes cleaning out gutters that hold debris or leaves, in addition to dumping stagnant water sources such as bird baths, kid toys, and pool covers. There are many products available to choose cheap indoor insect trap, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap indoor insect trap from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DynaTrap DT1050 TUNSR Mosquito Trap. For a mosquito trap that can do it all, pick up the DynaTrap. This powerful trap not only covers large indoor and outdoor spaces, it is also portable and effective. The insect and mosquito trap offers what the manufacturer considers three-way protection. First, the unit uses UV light and carbon dioxide to lure mosquitoes to a whisper-quiet fan. Then, the fan vacuums them into a chamber, where they meet their demise. Unlike comparably effective models, DynaTrap's lantern-style unit is completely free of pesticides and chemicals. It also features a unique twist-on twist-off feature to ensure that no pests can escape, even once the unit is turned off. For maximum efficiency, DynaTrap recommends using the trap for a full 6 weeks to break the breeding cycle. Number 2. Floatrun BK15D Electronic Insect Killer. If you are looking to tackle a large outdoor area, you should consider an insect killer that can go the distance. Floatrun's electronic insect killer is our pick for the best outdoor mosquito trap. This trap uses a 15-watt ultraviolet light to lure skeeters in, and then they are disposed of when they contact the electronic grid, so there are no pesticides, propane, or glue to worry about. The manufacturer says the trap is effective for up to half an acre. For those who are eco-conscious, you also can use an optional mosquito-attractant cartridge containing octanol, which is not harmful to humans or the environment. The cartridge is designed to last for 30 days. The attractive lantern-like design blends in with surroundings and is also weatherproof. For best results, place the trap 25 feet away from any area used for gatherings. It comes with a 9-inch cord for mounting. Number 3. Garter Flyweb Fly Trap. Ideal for small to medium-sized indoor spaces and enclosed patios, Garter's Flyweb Classic Fly Light attracts mosquitoes and other pests with UV light. Simply plug the unit into an electrical outlet and watch as the light attracts pests to a glue-board adhesive, which easily slides out for simple disposal and replacement. The compact size and inconspicuous design of Garter's UV trap make it easy to hide it in any room where you have a pest problem. To use, remove the protective coating on the adhesive board and insert it into the unit. Then, plug the unit into your outlet, and you're all set. For maximum effectiveness, replace the adhesive strips once a month, and replace the UV light annually. Number 4. Catchy Indoor Insect Trap. There is only so much a citronella candle can do. So when you need something more substantial that is still portable, give Catchy's electric insect trap a try. This portable bug trap can tackle more than just mosquitoes. It also handles gnats, fruit flies, and moths. The trap works by luring insects with UV light. Then, a fan sucks them down into the machine and to a glue trap at the bottom. The fan prevents them from generating enough lift to escape, while the glue immobilizes them until they perish. The unit weighs only 1.37 pounds, making it easy to pack for camping and other outdoor trips. For the best results, use the device with all other lights off for at least 3 consecutive nights. Number 5. Tyson Electric Bug Zapper. Using a powerful 4200V grid and a UV light, this trap is efficient at mosquito trapping. It is also waterproof, which means you can use it indoors and outdoors, extending its practicality. You can choose to set it on a tabletop or hang it with the hardware it comes with. The design also has safety features in mind, with a screen in front of an electric grid that prevents curious fingers or paws from meeting it. The bottom opens to reveal a rotating, removable tray that can easily be washed out and reinserted. We love that this trap does not involve any scented bait and features a portable size. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.